We're going to zhuzh this up just a little tiny bit.
I like that word, zhuzh.
Homemade is from the heart. It's a talking to me. This is not your grandmother's meatloaf. Air comes in there,
Okay.
comes through the charcoal, and then out the top. With the green egg, you can do anything that your mind tells you you can. I'm going to take this one and move him over here. I'm going to open this is a sweet chili sauce. Sprinkle a little bit on the top and rub it around. Now this is like a pepper, and that's all the flavor right there. When you put the cedar plank with the moisture,
Yeah.
it makes it so that it smokes. Over the fire, it doesn't catch a fire. And then we're going to put them in their little bed. This is a non-stick foil, and this is a heavy-duty foil. I'm going to put a little butter, because when you're from the South, you always have to use butter. And I have some salt and pepper mixed. I'm just going to sprinkle a little bit, and I'm going to add a little of olive oil, because what's not to like about olive oil? And it also helps keep it nice. And you fold the sides in and make just a little envelope. Now you see how much drier it is. And if you noticed, you see the little smoke coming around? Turn it. And then we're gonna put our salmon on there.
Do you always put it skin first?
I do.
It
dried it out immediately.
and it already turned kind of U-shaped.
Yes, it worked it. It'll take about 25 minutes once that gets back up to temperature.
Okay.
And it'll be so good. Oh, forgot the asparagus.
Okay. Oh my gosh.
And there we go.
So good.
Our salmon is looking really good now, and I'm hearing a little noise from our asparagus. I'm going to take everything off